He's an old establishment DNC, Democratic Party guy, and happy Jason Voorhees, you sound better with your mouth closed shirt, pretty centrist. The stuff he's saying now is to appeal to the more leftward folks so he can get more votes. Once he gets in office he will be like Obama light. Reverse the bad shit Trump has done, but he's not gonna turn the US into a happy Jason Voorhees, you sound better with your mouth closed shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, hoodie. Now I won't comment on how stupid that is when we are looking at 4 more years of Trump. Ah, I see. I'm just thinking on a happy Jason Voorhees, you sound better with your mouth closed shirt. Communism dancers are pro-business, just not to the point of completely destroying the environment. So expect the EPA to be turned back into an environmental protection agency. If we're lucky he'll do something about police reform and healthcare. But I wouldn't hold my breath on those other products.